Fruit flies are annoying, so let's get to it. I'm going to show you two methods. The first kills the flies, and for you pacifists out there that would never hurt a fly, the second method is for you. What you're going to need is a glass, some apple cider vinegar, some dish soap, a piece of paper, preferably bright colored. Fruit flies are attracted to bright colors, some tape, and a piece of fruit. So you want to roll up the paper into a funnel with a small opening at the point, and you want the top to be wide enough that it closes any gaps at the top of the glass. If you're going to kill the flies, put apple cider vinegar, preferably. You can use any kind, but they are specifically attracted to apple cider vinegar more than the others. And add a bit of dish soap. That will break the surface tension. So as soon as the fly lands on the water or the vinegar, they will sink. Now, if you're not going to kill the flies and you're going to release them, you could add a little bit of apple cider vinegar at the bottom and a piece of fruit like a slice of a banana or a slice of apple. If there's gaps on your funnel, just tape it closed around the rim of the glass, and they will start flying in there, getting caught, and they will no longer reproduce on your precious fruit. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, click subscribe. And it would be great if you could give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I also have a tip jar that helps me provide for my family. So consider that if you have the means. If not, that's okay. Have a great day.